Hi students, this is Mrs. Fernandi, ready to do some more word work and spelling with you. I'm going to open up my whiteboard and we're just going to talk briefly about shun and jun. See if you can think of a couple of words that start with jun, sorry. How about television? Spell that out loud for yourself. And then jun, and we can hear that jun, not shun. How about attention? At, 10, shun. At, first syllable, 10, second syllable, and shun. Excellent. Let's do one more. How about subtraction? We need that one a lot in school anyway. Sub, S-U-B, track. Make sure you hear that k sound. Do you remember what I said at the end of a syllable? The k sound is usually going to be made with a C, not a K. Subtract, and then shun. Subtraction. Good. All right, let's go over our, excuse me, I try not to say let's go over our possessives again. Let me share you the rest of let's do the slideshow and show you. I think it's going to have us go through yesterday's. Remember, boys, cat, girls, cat, boys, cats, girls, cats. Here's our review. This is my cat's dish. As you can see, it's one dish belonging to, in my case, 2 cats. So we use the cats, the entire word plural, cats, and then we add the apostrophe because the cat's dish belongs to both of them. As you can see, one of them is trying to get back to her food, even though I asked her to give me a moment to take a picture. This dish belongs to my 2 cats, and that's what the possessive is, right? The dish is their dish. Please note the their spelling, T-H-E, which is the beginning 3 letters of every word there, and then the I-R. Some students like to think of like belongs to me, I. The cat's dish is full, but not for long because this one is after it. These are my 2 cats. This is possessive singular and possessive plural we're going to go over. These are my family's cats. 1 family, 2 cats. So that's called singular possessive because 1 family owns the 2 cats. These cats' names are Tsuyu. Tsuyu's over here with the double colored face, triple, quadruple colored face, and Nessie. 2 cats with 2 names. So we would call that plural possessive because we have 2 cats and they both, that's the part that we're going to say is plural. They each have a name. Tsuyu, this girl over here with the green eyes, she is my son's cat. 1 son, 1 cat. Nessie, that's this one right here, Nessie is my daughter's cat. 1 daughter, 1 cat. These are my kids' cats. I have 2 kids and they have cats. Even if they only had 1 cat, it would still be my 2 kids' cats and we'd still have that plural there. Okay, let's stop that sharing and go ahead and grab your paper and let's do a little bit of guided spelling in preparation for our spelling test, which hopefully you will join me for on Fridays. Hopefully you have gotten yourself some sort of notebook or a series of papers in a folder to keep all your spelling work in. You'll need that paper and a pencil each Friday and we'll do a little test. I'll call out the words, you'll write them down, and then I'll put up on the screen the correct spelled words and you can check yourself. And then you can keep track of how well you do. You can always let me know. I'd love to know. Okay, your first word for guided spelling for today is information. Remember to spell in syllables. So split that word up. Information. We know that has 4 syllables. First syllable, in. Second syllable, for. Third syllable, may, long A, open syllable. And then shun, T-I-O-N. Your second word is driving. Now, our base word for driving is drive. We know we're going to get rid of that E and add in ing. Good. Your third word is sections. Sections is only 2 syllables, but please don't forget the k sound that you hear at the end of the first syllable, which we'll spell with AC. And then Tion, and then we have more than one section. The sections of the stadium were full for the Sounders game. All right, the next word is tubes. The base word is tube. Long U, that just spells tub until we put an E on the end, tube, and then an S, tubes. The next word, that one was a little easy, right? Questions. This is that ch-un sound that we get sometimes with T-I-O-N. First, we have the qu, S, and then chuns. We have an S there at the end. The next word is toothpaste. This is a compound word, which means we can take tooth and paste and still have 2 completely separate words. Our first word is tooth, and then paste. That is past until we add the E. Usually that doesn't work, but we'll talk about that another time. Prescription, prescription. Make sure you're listening to every letter sound in that second syllable. The first syllable is pre, P-R-E, script, scrip, and then shun, prescription. 2 more words. The next word is weather. How is the weather outside where you are? Weather is we, W-E-A, and then there. The sound at the end of the word is always spelled with E-R, so it's an easy one to remember. And your last word is discussion for today. Discussion. Remember? Discuss, and then shun. Nice work. Okay. Check yourself. Make sure you're doing all the parts of it, and I will see you for our test. Take care. Be safe.